Hi, in this video I will tell you about the new NVIDIA technology with which you can improve video quality in real time on YouTube, Netflix and other video services. All you need for this is a video card from NVIDIA of the 40th, 30th series, and a little bit later the 20th series as well will be work with this technology. Also, you need the latest drivers for your video card and the latest version of Chrome or Edge browser. So, without wasting time, let's get started. I will show you how to set it all up. Go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience, then choose Drivers. Here we choose Game Driver, update Game Driver. Later NVIDIA will be support this technology for Studio Driver, but now it works only with Game Driver. So update Game Driver, choose Game Driver, and you can use this technology. Restart the computer. Next, go to the NVIDIA Panel. Here we find the Video tab, and we need to check this box and select one of the four options in the quality section. The larger the parameter, the greater the load on the GPU, and the better result will be. Also, you can set these two options if you want. Then press Apply and you can close this window. Now open Chrome browser or Edge browser on your computer. Check for updates. You need the latest version of your browser. If you want to make sure that the function has started and it works successfully on your computer, you can open the task manager on your computer and at the same time open the NVIDIA panel and turn off this function and watch the load on the GPU. If the load changes, then the function is working. Now let's see how this function works. I choose a video on YouTube and set the quality to 360p. Now I turn the NVIDIA function on and off, and at this moment we can observe how the quality of the picture changes. Pay attention to the mouse cursor where I point. That is all for today. If video was useful, please subscribe to the channel, leave any comment below and press like to this video. Bye.